छोटे भाई की तरह हम पर बहुत मेहनत की। धाम में बड़े भाई की तरह हम पर गाइड किया। स्कूल में शिक्षक की तरह हम पर गाइड किया। सचमुच विद्यापीठ प्रतिभाओं की किला है। जब मैं अपने आसपास इतने प्रतिभावान सहपाठियों को देखता हूँ तो बस मैं सोचता हूँ इनसे तो कोई तुलना ही नहीं किया जा सकता है। आई ओनली थिंक आई एम नॉट ए गुड स्पीकर लाइक सैंतन बोस। आई एम नॉट ए ग्रेट एनालाइजर लाइक लोकसंग तेंजिन। आई एम नॉट ए ग्रेट ऑलराउंडर लाइक विनायक मुखर्जी एंड द लिस्ट गोज ऑन एंड गोज ऑन। तो चलिए कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए अब मैं अगली भाषण के लिए जिसे बुलाना चाह रहा हूँ उसका परिचय कुछ 4 पंक्तियों में देना चाहूँगा। स्वभाव है शांत, अंग्रेजी है विक्रांत, खेल हो या पढ़ाई हर जगह है वो सक्षम, विद्यापीठ हो या गोल पार्क हर जगह लहराया है परचम। तो चलिए जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करते हैं अपने वक्ता श्रीमान सैंतन बोस का।
To revered Secretary Maharaj, revered Principal Maharaj, respected Shubhajit Maharaj, Warden Maharaj, and all the revered monks and brahmacharis, and my greetings to all the teachers and all the staffs present here today in the Spire Shivananda Hall. So first of all, thank you Amulya for the introduction. So 22nd June 2022 and it's 5th March 2024. Time has really passed like a tracer bullet. So it's send off, or in other words, the last few breaths of our school life and our RKMV life. Really, I'll be honest today. I'm not really a hostel person. Before coming to RKMV, I was never in any hostel. In any hostel forms. So this was a total new system to me. But I can tell you now that even whatever difficulties I had faced to cope up with this situation, I can tell you now that this 2 years journey will stay earmarked in my life till the last breath of my life. First of all, I'm grateful to every one of you, from teachers to my friends to everyone, for making this journey possible. And if I forget to thank any one of you, please pardon me. First and foremost, always thank you, Revered Secretary Maharaj, for being always there to support us. Revered Principal Maharaj, thank you for always motivating us. Thank you, our Warden Maharaj. And a special thanks, special mention is required here. Our Shubhajit Maharaj. He's like an elder brother to all of us. He's been like a real mentor to all of us. Really, really thank you for making all the classes and all the tests regular. And also thank you for inventing new ways each and every morning, for waking us up from our sleep to let us go from the prayer. Thank you everyone for whatever you have done. Today I will be totally honest, and I really don't remember even a bit of the first day when I came here. But it is clear that this send-off will remain memorable till the last breath of my life. I have been through these 2 years, being part of various events like biennial exhibition, then the engineering versus medical match, the historical match. We made history that day. After 4 years, we won. Our medical batch won. And our earmarked players, our undisputed champion, Captain Chad Kumar, our player of the match, Pandeji, and our master strategist, Devdutt Kandar. And also the wall of medical, Bipratik Malik. I am a part of the centenary batch, and I have been able to see the centenary celebration. I have been a part of the winning troop to Goal Park. But also I have been a part of most importantly, I have been a part of a difficult and energy draining competition from a very good friend of mine. who partly belongs to medical section and partly belongs to engineering section. His name is Orko Prabhushil. Really, Orko Prabhushil, I have a lot of inner anger against you. Be safe. But literally, Orko Prabhushil is a very good friend to all of us. Maybe more than a friend to all of us. Actually, he's a family. Or he's the guardian of our galaxy. These 2 years, we have grown a lot. We have learned a lot. We have learned a lot of facts. We have learned a lot of knowledge. We have gained a lot of knowledge. And besides the academic facts, we also have been able to learn some new relationships, interesting relationships between some states or some places of our country. For example, the beautiful relationship between Samastipur and Malda town. And again, another beautiful relationship between Dhanbad and a town in Bihar whose name also starts with D. And I will leave you. And I will let you guess the name of the place. I will not tell you. So, Dhanbad is the storehouse of coal in India. It produces the most or the highest percentage of coal in India. Now imagine a boy is coming out of the dark smoke and fumes of Dhanbad's coal areas, and he's coming into our batch, and he's a great friend of ours. His name is Rudradeep Ghoshal. Believe me, he's a truly and totally legit Jallad. I'll not tell you the reason, but he is. But also, he is a real genius in biology. And there he sits, my very good friend Shashwat Thakur. He is the music playlist of our batch, Spotify. But the fact he's a mixture of Arijit Singh, Kishore Kumar, Mohammad Rafi, anyone. But the fact is, he's a master of physical chemistry. And also, you believe it or not, he is also the owner or co-owner of a very prestigious and promising coaching institute. Overall, our batch is a really strong one, a dominating one. What an amazing Teachers' Day program we made that day, 5th September. And recently, the Sanskrit language program. What a master class of drama enacted by Atul Raj Anand and Pradyumna Upadhyay, or in our colloquial language, we call him Dadu. But let me remind you, we also have hidden actors in our batch, like Siddharth Kestri. You won't believe me. He made us believe that our heart is not in the left side. It is in the right side. Not everyone knows this hidden talent, but yeah, it is. So these 2 years were a total roller coaster ride for me, for all of us, because of the emotions, anticipation, success, failure, and everything. But whatever it may be, you guys, you really made this whole 2 years journey possible. I'm really grateful to all of you. Our teachers who have tirelessly worked for our betterment each and every day. I thank you, everyone. And especially, being a biology student, a special thanks to the gold mine of our biology, RRPida. Thank you, sir. Thank you for exploring the world of biology and especially the world of botany to us. Also, special thanks to the backbone of our plus 2 complex, the Mr. 360 degree, Ardita. We really are thankful to you, Ardita, for everything that you have done, for every aspect that you have managed for all of us. We really thank you. In fact, we are really fortunate to be a part of such a prestigious institution, such a larger-than-life institution. This institution is a landmark. RKMV is in itself a rule book. It teaches us respect, obedience, honesty, faithfulness, and discipline. RKMV is in fact a strict place in terms of discipline. And when you think about discipline and strictness, you definitely get one man's picture in your head. And with all due respect, this is PSN sir. But thank you, sir, for whatever you have done, because I think it is necessary. Because you see, only controlled nuclear reactions give utilizable energy for the thermal power plants. So discipline also similarly manifests the nuclear energy in us, within us, into great and worthful works. RKMV is not just a name, it's an example. And you all know that it's easy to give an example, and it's always hard to be an example. RKMV produces the best. It has the best, and it is indeed the best. And I'm damn sure if we as a group stand in front of any group outside Vidyapeeth, we can make anyone understand who the real boss is. We are the products of Vidyapeeth, and we will forever be. And always, as our Principal Maharaj always says, we are of Vidyapeeth, for Vidyapeeth, and by Vidyapeeth. Tonight is not a goodbye, in no way. It's just a starting of a new story. So for the last time, officially standing on this podium in the Shivananda Hall, I, Shantanu Bose, on behalf of the entire Class 12 batch, for the last time, say this to all of you. Thank you, Vidyapeeth. Adios.